Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make refreshing drinks. They're called Lassi. Lassi is a yogurt drink and I'm going to show you how to make refreshing Lassi with different types of flavors in it. Okay guys, so this was the yogurt that we made. For this yogurt, Lassi is always made out of yogurt, okay? So from this yogurt, first we're going to make sweet Lassi. Sweet Lassi is basically however sweet you want to make it, but don't over sweeten it because it's a yogurt drink. So for this you're going to use yogurt, and for some flavoring in it, this is called rose water, and of course the amount of sugar you need. That's all you need for sweet Lassi. Okay, now when we're going to make I'm going to show you how to make 4 different type of lassi: sweet lassi, mango lassi, strawberry lassi, and raspberry and rose lassi. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a big batch of sweet lassi first, and then from that we're going to flavor with the other ingredients that we are going to do. So our yogurt is nice and thick, and if you want to thin it out, you can add little ice in it or little water in it. So I'm just going to blend it with little sugar first and see how consistency it is. Okay, so add all this sugar in this and cover it. Voila! Here's our nice sweet lassi. Okay, so for making raspberry lassi, I'm going to use raspberry jam and always use organic stuff. Now this is like a jelly, okay? If you get fresh raspberries, it's fine. So 2 spoons, and however thick you want it, you can use that. And to this I'm going to add a little rose water to get that flavor in it, and here you are. And now I'm going to add the sweet lassi which we blended, okay? That's about it. We need just a cup of it, so now we're going to take it and just voila, here's our raspberry lassi. And look how thick this is, nice and beautiful. Here you are, here's a raspberry lassi. Okay, so now we are going to make another version of lassi, the strawberry lassi. Now the strawberry, I've used fresh strawberries, and what I'm going to do is just put them here, and of course put some rose water or some kevra water. You get different flavoring in it. And then same thing, add our yogurt drink. There you are, that's for a small glass. If you want to make bigger, you can always make it bigger. And just blend this really well. Blended it for maybe a minute or so, and it's nice and thick, and I'm going to show you by pouring it in. Wow, here's a fresh strawberry lassi. There you go, voila, it's ready, the strawberry lassi. Okay guys, so now we are going to make mango lassi. Mango lassi, we are using this, what is called Kesar mango pulp. This is one of the best mango pulp in the whole wide world. That is why a mango lassi is very popular in an Indian restaurant. And so I'm going to show you how to make this. So I just pour some nice of that mango pulp. And the same thing, equal amount consistency you want. There you go. And then blend it again. You don't want to add any other sugar or anything in this because the flavor of the mango is really Okay, so now I finished blending this. Now I want to add little saffron into it. And this is our saffron. And I've got, oh wow, this nice thing and little nice of this rose water. And the flavor will be just amazing when you add a little saffron into it. So just blend it. We're gonna take it off. The saffron is blended in and the aroma is great. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it here nice and thick. Look at that. That's the thickness you want when you're having a mango lassi. So here's a mango lassi. Enjoy. Okay, so now voila, here's our 3 fantastic different lassis. The raspberry, we're gonna just garnish with little nice almonds on it. Now the mango lassi, of course, saffron and the strawberry lassi with a nice fan on it. There you are. Voila, enjoy. Hi guys, we're gonna taste our lassi now. This is the strawberry, this is the raspberry, and this is the mango. Yummy. Let me taste it. It's supposed to be drink with a straw, but I'm just gonna. Amazing. Now I'm gonna try. Wow, this is because of the jam. I probably think it's become sweeter. And this one is the bomb. This is the bomb. This with the saffron, with the rose water, it's just amazing. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking or happy drinking.